Hello guys, welcome to the next tutorial of Angular on this YouTube channel Jack of JavaScript. So in this tutorial, we are going to see how to communicate between your child component to parent component. That is basically we want to pass data from child to parent. In last lecture, we have already seen how to pass the same data from parent to child using the property binding. So you can directly see on this app component, this is the child component, and using the property binding we have sent the data. All right, so let's start. So this is the view that is rendered from app component.html, and here we have the child component. So let's start from the child itself. So it is very important to note, when you are passing data from child to parent, you have to create your own event. So that is using the event emitter. So let's create the event, the custom event, and the name would be child event with this event emitter class. So once you create it, so event emitter, this is imported into your import section. Also, you have to declare the output decorator, because your this is the event that passes the data from your child to outwards, to out to its parent. All right, again we'll define one function which will call this event internally using this dot child event, and it has a method, that is emit method, which will send the data. So this is the data, this is the message that hello dad, this child component is sending the hello dad message to its parent. All right, so we have to call the same function on the click of this button, send data. The name would be send data, and using this click event, we have to call the same function. All right, so once I click here, the message should be displayed in the parent section. So we are done with the child part. Then let's go to the parents part. So this is the only section where the contact between your parent and child takes place. So in this part, you have to call your event, that is child event, and it will hold the data against some variable. Let's call the variable as message to parent, and it will hold the message in this event $event object. This message to parent should be defined in the class of this parent, as parents class. It should be defined within parents class. All right, so and now we have to show the same variable value using interpolation. All right, so this is how it works. When we click on the send data, the data is directly sent to parent. All right, so this is how the parent to child, child to parent communication takes place. Let's quickly summarize what we have done. So this is a child component. We have defined the child event using event emitter, and another function which will ignite the same event using this emit method. So once we click on this, it gets fired. And coming back to app component, this child event will hold the data in this message to parent variable. Now this is defined in the class file of app component.html, and again we have printed it using interpolation. All right, so thank you so much. If you have any doubts, you can put it into the comment section. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you so much.